up. This-
Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I'm co-hosting this with my boss, Sophie. So she's gonna be adding some comments to the section because she's amazing and we love her. But everyone, welcome. We're gonna be waiting for a little bit more people to come and join us. But I was just gonna say hi to some of us. For example, Cesar, how are you? Sorry that I changed your
Fine,
accent in the
thanks.
name.
How are you?
I'm doing good. You know, Sophie, actually, Cesar is coming to the better night in Buenos Aires. I don't know if a lot of us, all the people here are registered to the Better Night, but he said to me today that he was organizing himself to come here to meet
Yeah.
us all the team.
Amazing. Where are you from, Cesar? You're from Argentina?
Yes, I'm
Amazing.
living in
Amazing.
Paraná. Mhm.
In Paraná. So you are traveling to the Buenos Aires meeting.
Yeah,
That's
I
amazing. You are not, no te vas a arrepentir. You are not going to regret it. Okay?
I love it. I hope
Who else
everyone is
is
like,
here, Santi? Who else is here?
who else is here? Let me see. Well, there's a lot of people, but a lot of people have their camera off. So it's Jairo here. It's also Edgar. It's also Belen, Nacho. Who else? Let me see. Sebastian. Sebastian has been here actually. Remember him from EDSA?
Of course, I
One of the
remember him. Of course.
one
And
of the
there's
best.
some names I don't know, like Julieta Miner, Edgar Miranda. Edgar is from of Bidrago, isn't it?
Edgar is on IT in EBSA, right, Edgar?
Amazing, amazing. Well, hi everyone.
right.
Well,
Hi.
I don't have a really good level of English, so the main star here will be it's Santiago, and I will turn off my mic, okay, Santi? Because I'm kind of
great. Great.
okay,
I love
great.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you so much.
Well, you have seen that Sophia's getting way better with the better English classes. So I hope all of you are going to the better English classes because she's doing a lot of improvements. She has now she gave us a lot of talk. But thank you so much for everyone for coming. We're gonna be waiting a little bit for people to show up a little bit because some people are behind because of the hour and the change of the hour. So maybe we're gonna be waiting a little bit more minutes. But everyone who join us, thank you so much. Everyone who can turn on their camera to say hi and to be like a little bit more present, it will be amazing. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting. Maybe we should find some kind of music or something. But today we have a very interesting subject that is AI and how we can apply it. So we're gonna be waiting for it in a bit. But thank you so much for joining. Okay. They're telling me throughout the mic that we need to start, so we're gonna go ahead and start.
Yes, we
Thank
are
you.
already 34 people, so I think it's a really good number to hit the button and start, Santi.
Amazing. Okay, let's start then. Okay,
Go
so thank
ahead.
you everyone for coming and showing up. We're gonna be talking, as I told you already, about AI. I don't know if Jose, can you pass on to the next slide? Yeah, we're gonna be talking about AI and how we can apply it to everyone's life, to work, to different things that we're gonna be doing. We actually have a lot of people who know about AI and language models here, so be like encouraged to join the conversation. So we're gonna present you. I brought you a special person tonight. Whoa, Gabriel, you're here. Hello, man. How are you? So nice to see you. We're gonna be talking about AI, as I told you, and I brought a very special guest today. That he is Jose, and he's been working for us for I don't know a year now, and he's one of the best in his field. He's been doing a lot of work in that and has a lot of tools that he wants to share with us. He's a very number one fan of Barcelona football team. That's why he has a shirt, and you're probably gonna see him like he has a mug that he drinks water. That is also has the this like the I don't know how to say escudo. Well, I forgot the shield. So, but it's not shield. But whatever. So thank you so much for everyone for joining. Letty, hi, how are you? So much people in the comments. But I'm gonna pass on the mic to Jose so he can join us and he can give you all the information that we gathered today for you guys. So my beloved friend, it's all yours now.
Thank you so much to Santi for that amazing introduction, and welcome everyone to the power of the artificial intelligence. Before start, I want to know a bit about everyone here on the audience. So I want to know if we have today, for example, architects on the meeting.
You can
Yeah.
raise up your head.
Yes.
Santi, if it's possible, please take note of that because probably we're going to need this information later.
Okay, great.
How about graphic designers or maybe people that are marketers?
Sophie, Marga, for example. Marga's a great designer. Belen is also a great designer. Sophie is a
Okay.
marketer of our life.
Okay, we're going to need this information further on the presentation. But let's start at the beginning. What is exactly artificial intelligence or AI? It's a field within science computer focused on building systems that can handle tasks we usually think need human intelligence. These include actions like thinking, learning, solving problems, and understanding language. This sounds really simple, but it's a really complex process because imagine that a software or a code can think as a human being. It's really difficult. The idea of artificial intelligence came about in the mid of 20th century, introduced by John McCarthy in 1966 at the Denmark Conference. Since those early days, AI has grown from an intriguing idea to a vital part of how we use technology today. We can see that AI is everywhere, from Siri on your iPhone to what Netflix going to suggest you to view next. So with a clear definition in mind, let's see how AI is already enhancing productivity in real-world scenarios. For example, General Electric use AI on their Predict platform to handle data analysis in manufacturing. Originally, this process take a lot of hours each year. It was not only slow, but also limited because people can only do so much at once. Only imagine a company as big as General Electric, the amount of quantity of, let's say, data that can produce every year. It's a huge problem. That's why they bringing in the AI to can get a good solution. Yay, automate this massive data task, especially focusing on predictive maintenance. This smart system use ongoing data from machines to predict when they may break down. Just imagine that you have your own factory and you can predict when a machine going to have a problem. That is a really useful tool for any company. Thanks to the AI, GE can now fix things before they break, avoiding unnecessary downtime. This chip has cut their data analysis time by up to 60% and made their machines 20% more efficient, significantly enhancing the productivity. Moving beyond just boosting productivity, AI also play a crucial role in driving creativity across various industries. Today, we're going to take as for example, Adobe Sensei. It's a game changer in the creative world, blending AI with the tools graphic designers rely on every day. Consider the rebranding campaign for ABC Fashion, where Sensei truly shone. In this project, Sensei AI delved into the last design trends and consumer preference to suggest fresh color palettes, and design motifs. Just imagine that you are working on the graphic design sector and you don't have, like, for example, think in which colors are good to your project, because the AI can help you with all that. This not only made the design process faster, but also opened up to new creative possibilities that designer hasn't thought before. The campaign was as much hit that perfectly resonate with the audience. AI influence isn't just about boosting creativity. It's also reshaping how team works together, particularly in remote jobs. For example, everyone here, or at least a lot of us, are working in remote setting because we work with Better Pro. Well, we're not going to use today Better Pro as a sample, but we're going to consider Tech Innovation Inc., a software company whose team members are spread across the globe. AI have completely transformed how they manage projects. Using AI-driven tools, the company has enhanced its project management capabilities with real-time analysis and automated adjustments to project timelines based on how teams is progressing. Let's make a stop here for a moment and let's think, which can be the, I don't know, the huge problem that we can have in remote settings. Probably it's problem with miscommunication or sometimes with project times because we are working with different persons. Well, the AI it's going to help us with all these kind of problems. This integration of AI has resulted in a 30% improvement in meeting project deadlines and a significant increase in overall team productivity. Moreover, these tools support virtual meeting and track tasks efficiently, ensuring that all team members are in sync and can work together effectively, no matter where they are located. Now, let's explore how AI is shaping decision-making in the financial sector. At FinServe Ltd., a provider of financial service, the integration of AI has profoundly impacted decision-making processes. The company used AI to quickly sort through large amount of financial data, identifying trends and predicting market movement. We are not talking that the AI can only, for example, automate process. We are talking about predicting market movement. This is a huge advance because only imagine what going to happen in the next years. This advanced capability allows them to make quicker, more informed decisions regarding asset management and investment strategies. As a result, they've seen a 20% boost in customer satisfactions, thanks to the improvement of financial outcome delivery by these data-driven decisions. Having seen AI in action, let's break down the types of AI tools that businesses use today. We group them in 4 main categories. Automation tools, these simplify repetitive tasks. Machine learning models, these use data to make prediction and decision. Natural language processing, or NLP, this technology helps machines to understand and use human language. And AI-driven analytics, these tools analyze large amount of data to provide valuable insights. Each category of tools is transforming various business operations, making them more efficient and driven by data. Let's delve into automation tools, focusing on UiPath and Zapier, tools that will improve operational efficiencies. For example, in the banking industry, UiPath automates the loan application process, cutting down processing time from days to just hours. I don't know if, for example, someone remember when you went to the bank and you request your loan, and probably they told you that you have to wait at least 1 week. Well, with the AI implementation, this only going to take a few hours. On the other hand, Zapier is used in retail to integrate different applications, automating the inventory management. This helps to synchronize stock level instantly across platforms, reducing the overhead and error typically seen with manual entry. As we know, everyone here is a human being and sometimes we make mistakes. An incredible way to avoid that is using tools, for example, as Zapier, because if you need move information from one platform to another one, you can do it automatically with this kind of tools. Shifting from automation, let's explore the impact of machine learning tools, like, for example, Software Einstein. that are transforming business interact with the customer. Salesforce Einstein significantly improved customer relationship management by predicting customer behavior and providing guidance on the best actions for sales representatives to take. For instance, a case of a study in the telecommunications sector demonstrates a 30% increase in sales conversion rates thanks to the insights provided by Einstein. Only let's think a moment. Imagine that you don't need to think too much about what you're going to say to the customer because you can predict what they need. Well, tools like Einstein can help us with all these kind of problems. Similarly, H2O deliver machine learning models that are instrumental for insurance company. This model predict fraudulent claims and streamline claim processing, which not only boost customer satisfaction, but also enhance operational efficiency. Now let's explore how natural language processing, or NLP, is revolutionizing the way machines understand human language, with notable examples from IBM Watson and Google Bear. As we said before, when we start the meeting, sometimes we think that it's a bit easy to do all this kind of thing, but only imagine that a code need to understand and speak as a human. It's a really complex process. Well, IBM Watson and Google Bear are significantly transforming interactions. Watson is extensively utilized by banks to managing customer inquiries via chatbots. These chatbots understand and respond in natural language, which help reduce wait time and enhance customer satisfaction. With the AI, you don't going to need someone to be waiting to reply to your possible clients because you can, for example, utilize a chatbot that can do it really quickly and really easy. On the other hand, Google Bear has been a game changer for search engines. It improved how they interpret natural language queries, ensuring that search results are more relevant and closely aligned with user intents. This precision significantly enhanced the user experience by providing a core search result. Having explored automation and machine learning, let's now delve into how AI-driven analytics are being utilized to boost businesses' performance. AI-driven analytics tools, such as, for example, Google Analytics or Tableau, are essential in enhancing and optimizing business operation. Let's start with Google Analytics, which is extensively used by e-commerce companies. These tools analyze patterns in customer behavior, enabling businesses to develop marketing strategies that effectively increase conversion rates. That is because, for example, in Google Analytics, I don't know if someone used it before, but when you utilize like the app or the platform, you're going to see a dashboard where you're going to find all the information that is relevant to your company about the demographic information or age information about your possible clients. Similarly, Tableau transforms complex raw data into easy-to-understand visual dashboard. This allows companies to quickly graph detailed insight, facilitating swift and informed decision-making. Through these tools, businesses are able to leverage data to drive success and adapt to the markets that are always changing. Now, you remember when we start and we asked you about what are, for example, your profession. It's going to be really useful for this part. Shifting our focus from general AI tools to their specific application, let's explore how AI is transforming the field. In this time, we're going to start with architecture. I don't know if some of the architects on the meeting want to tell us a bit about the AI in their sector.
How my architects use AI, or you don't use AI for work. I don't have a lot of architects here, and I can start naming them.
No.
Only in Photoshop, probably. The new version of Photoshop allows you to
change and update your image and renderings. But I'm interested in know more about another programs that may be useful or probably transform static image into videos or something like that.
Okay.
Great. Thank you, Paula.
Mm, Thank
Okay,
you.
well, I'm not an expert in the architect area, but I am trying to find some example. We're going to start with Autodesk Revit, known for its integration of AI. This significantly revolutionized building design by incorporating AI. Revit allows architects to conduct complex simulation early in the design phase, greatly enhancing both decision-making and efficiencies. For instance, the AI algorithms within Revit are capable of predicting structural loads and simulating building performance under various conditions. This capability significantly cut down on the time and cost typically associated with iterative testing, streamlining the design process and improving project outcomes. I'm completely sure that if we are starting a project and we need cut time, Revit can be a really good solution, at least for some of the easy parts. After delving into the architecture field, let's shift to engineering, where AI tools such as Rhino with Grasshopper are propelling innovation forward. In the engineering field, AI applications like Rhino with Grasshopper equip engineers with sophisticated modeling capabilities that adjust based on real-world data. That is really important because I not want to say that you don't going to need to be really prepared with the last information, but in case that you don't have like the latest information about something in particular, you're going to have the help of this AI. The AI-driven generative design algorithm with Grasshopper enable engineers to fine-tune a structure for optimal material use and performance. This result in innovative solutions that will be difficult or even impossible to achieve through manual calculations. For an engineer, we now turn our attention to the design field, where AI is significantly reshaping workflow and enhancing creativity. In design, AI tools are crucial for creating more efficient processes. For example, AI integrate into Adobe Illustrator now offer real-time design adjustment, which not only boost creativity, but also accelerate the entire creation process. These tools are designed to learn from user past actions, allowing them to offer personalized shortcuts and suggestions that simplify the design process. This makes the design's workflow not just faster, but also more intuitive and customized to each designer's unique styles and needs. It's really important this part because notice like the AI have a code and going to give you automatically anything or any shortcut. It's going to analyze what you are doing, and based on that information, it's going to deliver the shortcuts that probably you must going to need. AI influence extend beyond design. It's also revolutionizing marketing strategies in companies like HubSpot. AI is making marketing campaigns far more data-driven and personalized. HubSpot Marketing Hub leverage AI to analyze user interactions and behaviors. This analysis helps create personalized marketing strategies that not only boost engagement, but also improve conversion rates. Thanks to AI, marketers can automatically segment audiences and customize messages at the scales, allowing for more targeted and effective marketing efforts. It's really important this because to develop a really good marketing campaign, we need a lot of information, and sometimes find this information is a bit complicated. With tools as this one, we can do it really easily. In the realm of graphic designs, tools like Adobe Sensei are truly redefining creativity. Let's delve into how these changes are unfolding. Adobe Sensei assists designers by taking over routine tasks and providing creative insight. It utilizes AI to automatically pair image with aesthetic style, suggestion modification that ensure the designer work remain innovative and in tune with the last standards. This AI-driven support allows designers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their project, enhancing both productivity and artistic expression. Okay, now I don't know if, for example, any of the marketers that we have on the meeting have ever used tools as Pencil or maybe the Facebook ads. Well, in the realm of digital advertising, AI is playing a pivotal role by utilizing historical data and real-time campaign performance to strategically optimize ad placement and content. These intelligent systems are adept at predicting which demographic group are most likely to respond positively to a specific ad content. This maximizes return on investment by targeting the right audience at the right time with the right message. This is really important because anyone wants to lose money. With this kind of AI, we can literally find the right audience for us. This procedure ensures more efficient use of advertising budget and improve overall campaign effectiveness. Now, let's examine how AI tools like Asana are boosting efficiency in project management. Asana has incorporated AI to streamline task scheduling and resource allocation, which has made project timelines more adaptable and responsive to changes. This AI capability within Asana enables it to anticipate potential project delays and recommend the most effective corrective action to ensure the project stays on a schedule. This proactive approach helps teams to prevent issues before they happen, keeping projects moving smoothly from start to finish. Sometimes when we are working in the remote work with different teams, we need tools that help us with all the scheduling or possible problem delays. With Asana, we can literally predict possible delays, fixing, rescheduling everything, and it's going to be really useful in these kind of scenarios. Shifting from project management to web development, let's look at how AI tools like it are transforming coding practice. Sometimes, for example, the web developers work a bit alone, and sometimes it's complicated find someone to help you with a problem in the code or with something like that. AI-powered tools such as Kit improve coding efficiency by providing real-time code completion, error correction, and instant documentation. This helps developers to write cleaner and more accurate code quickly, boosting productivity and minimizing errors. In the same field, we have AI tools like Apply tools that are making the, for example, for all the UX designer or all the UX engineers, these kind of tools are really important because Apply tools use visual AI to spot different in user interface across different devices. This ensures that application deliver a consistent user experience no matter the platform. Okay, let's move on with some advanced application and success histories. Now let's explore some sophisticated tools in design and engineering, starting with Autodesk BIM 360. Autodesk BIM 360 uses predictive analytics to simplify or to significantly enhance the design and management of large-scale projects. By using AI to identify potential project risks and recommend mitigation strategies, BIM 360 enables project managers to proactively address issues before they become expensive problems. This, as we told before, is really important because we always want to save money or not spend it unnecessarily. Well, A prominent example of this was during the construction of the new city tower in Vietnam. Beam 360 was able to detect potential structural stress point, allowing for adjustment that ultimately saved millions in potential repair costs. Continue with advanced application, let's explore how AI is improving simulation in engineering with tools from Siemens. In engineering, AI tools play a crucial role in simulation complex systems and forecasting their behavior under different scenarios. For instance, Siemens utilized AI-driven simulation to fine-tune energy distribution system with its smart grids, greatly improving both efficiency and reliability. These simulations are capable of predicting energy flow and dynamically adjust routes in real time. This part is really important because only let's think for a moment. We don't going to need someone in front of the monitor like reading or checking that everything in our red it's working okay. Because with this kind of AI, it's going to do the adjustment automatically and with any problem. Next, we'll delve into how AI is transforming material science by fine-tuning material properties for specific applications. AI is making significant strides in material science, enabling the prediction of material behavior and the optimization of composition to target use. A notable example is in General Motors. We are not talking about like a small company in the corner of our neighborhood. We are talking about a big company that start to utilize AI to develop lighter and more durable materials for automotive manufacturing. This innovation not only enhanced fuel efficiency, but also cut down on manufacturing costs, showcasing the substantial impact of AI in improving both product quality and productivity. Turning our focus to marketing, let's explore how AI-driven tools like Market Muse are transforming digital marketing strategies. Market Muse probably is not one of the most listened application, but I think that is really useful and what can help to everyone is very important. Market Muse leverage AI to revolutionize content creation by offering marketers deep insight into content strategy and competitive analysis. It analyzed thousands of content pieces to identify gaps and opportunities, helping brands to develop content that not only rank well, but also engage audiences more effectively. For example, a tech company utilized Market Moves to refine its content strategy, which led to a remarkable 40% increase in web traffic within just 6 months. This demonstrates the powerful impact of AI in enhancing the effectiveness of digital marketing effort. AI impact on digital advertising is profound. We'll explore how real-time data analysis is maximizing return on investment, ROI. AI is transforming digital advertising by optimizing ad placement and fine-tuning content targeting. For example, Amazon, a leader in the e-commerce sector, leveraged AI to tailor advertising dynamically. This strategy has resulted in a 30% boost in conversion rates and a significant decrease in waste at spending. I don't know if, for example, anyone search something in Amazon, let's say TVs. And after this first search, you continue scrolling in the page, you search any other product, but continuously, not matter in which screen you are, you're going to continue seeing different options of TVs to buy. Well, this is thanks of the AI because they detect that you want to buy a TV and try to sell you. Similarly, companies like Alibaba and eBay also use AI to enhance ad effectiveness and efficiency. demonstrating AI capabilities to refine marketing strategies and achieve better economy outcomes. In web development, AI tools such as DeepCode are revolutionizing both the speed and the quality of coding. DeepCode incorporates AI directly into the development process, providing a platform that not only reviews but also suggests optimization for code. This is a really interesting tool because let's suppose that we are working in any code, for example, for a web page. Well, at the same time that we are typing, DeepCode are suggesting us different options to complete the code or to optimize it. This integration has proven highly effective. For instance, a software development company that adopted DeepCode was able to cut its bug rate by 50% and significantly accelerate its deployment speed. Now, let's move on to explore some practical case studies across various industries. One of the most renowned applications or tool is IBM Watson. Focusing on healthcare, let's examine how IBM Watson is enhancing diagnostic and patient care at renowned institutions like Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. IBM Watson has become a crucial tool in healthcare by offering AI-driven diagnostic that complement the skill of physicians. At Memorial Sloan Kettering, Watson analyzed patient data alongside a comprehensive database of cancer research. This enabled it to suggest personalized treatment plans that not only improve patient outcome, but also reduce the duration of treatment. Sometimes when we went to, let's say, the hospital, probably if we have something bad, the physician going to need like a time or maybe a meeting with other specialists to create a treatment plan. Well, with IBM Watson, it's only going to take a few seconds because automatically it's going to analyze all the data available around different hospital or healthcare centers, and it's going to help you to create a good treatment plan. Next, we delve into how Watson capabilities are benefiting in the financial sector, particularly in how it assists companies like Citibank with personalized customer services. In finance, Watson provides AI-driven insights that significantly enhance decision-making processes. Citibank utilized Watson to analyze customer data and financial trends, which enable them to offer personal banking advice. This tailored approach not only improves customer satisfaction, but also boosts retention rates. Let's imagine that we are talking about something really important as finance, and then we can have a tool that literally can help us to do the right thing. It's really important. Watson's ability to process and analyze vast amount of data to produce actionable insight has become an essential asset for financial analytics. Watson's versatility extends well beyond healthcare and finance. Let's also examine its application in other sectors such as retail and legal. In the retail sector, Watson is deployed for customer-service automation, streamlining interaction and enhancing customer experience. In the legal field, it assists analyzing large volume of documents quickly and accurately, with improved efficiency in legal practices. Not going to be necessary, like, for example, that the lawyer stay all the night reading documents and analyzing other cases, because with this kind of tool, it's going to be really easy, and in only a few minutes, we're going to have all the information that we need. Each of these applications showcase the Watson wide-ranging utility and illustrate how AI can be a transformative force across multiple industries. Well, we talk a lot about different tools, a lot about the applications, but like everything, we have some concerns that are necessary to talk about. We'll conclude our exploration by addressing the ethical implication of AI and its future prospect. Data privacy is a major concern with the adoption of AI, especially under strict regulation like the GDPR in Europe. A prime example involves a European bank that implement AI in compliance with GDPR. The bank deployed AI tools for analyzing customer data, but incorporate advanced encryption and anonymization techniques to ensure they met compliance standards and secure customer information. This highlights the importance of ethical consideration in AI deployment, ensuring that innovation does not compromise privacy and security. Integrating AI into existing IT infrastructure can be quite complex. Middleware can help simplify this process by serving as a bridge between new AI application and older legacy system. For instance, a retail company utilizes middleware to effectively integrate AI-powered inventory management system with its older supply chain software. This approach allows for a smooth transition, minimizing disruption while maximizing operational efficiency. This example underscores the value of middleware in facilitating the adoption of advanced technology in established environments. A practical case study showcased a manufacturing firm that encouraged challenge while integrating AI into its own infrastructure. The firm implemented customized middleware solution to bridge the gap, enabling the deployment of AI-driven predictive maintenance tools. These tools significantly enhance machine uptime by 20% and reduce in maintenance costs by 30%. This success story highlights how tailored middleware can effectively support the integration of modern AI technologies into established systems, leading to a substantial operation improvements. The learning curve for new AI tools can often be challenging. To address this, a multinational corporation implemented a comprehensive training program to help employees adapt to using AI-powered analytical tools. This initiative led to a remarkable 40% increase in productivity. The training program includes hand-on sessions and provide ongoing support, which made the technology more accessible and user-friendly for all employees. If we stop here for a minute, we can see that literally an amazing tool that no one understands, it's useful, not going to be useful for anyone. So it's really important to create the appropriate trainings to everyone to understand how any tool is working. This approach not only facilitates a smoother transition to advanced tool, but also ensure that all team members could effectively leverage AI to enhance their work experience. AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing remote collaboration, particularly in today's digital workplace. The technology company Slack introduced AI-driven collaboration tools that help each geographical dispersed team synchronize their workflows and communication. This adoption led to a better project delivery times and fewer miscommunication. The tool enabled the team members to stay connected and coordinate, which was essential for maintaining productivity across different locations. Improving the user interface of AI tools can significantly lower barriers to adoption. A case study for a software development company illustrates this point effectively. They update the user interface of their AI systems to make them more intuitive, which minimized the amount of initial training need and boosted both engagement and satisfaction level among their staff. This update not only made the technology more accessible to employees, but also enhanced their overall experience and productivity with the tool. As we wrap up our exploration of artificial intelligence, it's evident that impact of AI is profound and extend across many fields. We have observed AI's significant role in boosting productivity, sparking creativity, and enhancing collaboration in sectors ranging from architecture and engineering to marketing and web development. Looking forward, AI is set to become an even more integral part of our daily business operation, continuously driving innovation and improving efficiency. In the future, we can expect AI to become more adaptive, predictive, and closely aligned with humans like reasoning. As AI technologies evolve, the possibility for transformative change in both our professional and personal life are bound to expand exponentially. Let's approach these advancements with forward-thinking mindset and a strong commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Thank you for your attention, and now I love to open the floor for any questions you may have.
If you have any questions, any one of you, you can give us, or you can say it on the chat, or you can say it to us. I don't know. It's very important, very incredible subject. I've learned a lot. I don't know, Sophie, do you have any questions? You're looking to us? Oh, she's talking to someone else apparently. Well, if everyone has any questions, you can leave us in the comment. Thank you so much, Jose, for this better session. I have really enjoyed it. I saw a lot of we have practiced it a lot, but I have applied, tried to see what I can apply to my daily job. So thank you so much. And everyone, also, if you have no other questions, thank you so much. You can see this better session on YouTube. Probably it's gonna be up tomorrow or today. I don't know. It depends on the marketing team of this company. I'm just kidding. So thank you so much for coming. We will see you in another month. Yeah, love you all. Thank you. Thank you, Jose. I don't know, Sophie, do you want to say something else to the audience, to your audience?
Your audience.
Well, apparently.
Muy bueno, José, muy bueno. Muchas gracias. Me voy con un montón de tips para HubSpot, para Asana, para algunas aplicaciones que también solemos usar como Zapier y demás. Ahí lo veía también a Alan que las usa demasiado acá adentro, así que también se va con data. Muy interesante todo. Los esperamos a todos el próximo mes y gracias por venir. Y
Bye
los vemos a
bye.
todos el 17 de mayo en Bogotá y en Buenos Aires. Por favor, hagan la tarea, los queremos ver para bailar también, no solamente trabajar.
Dale, nos
Besos,
vemos chicos, gracias.
besos,
Gracias
besos.
a
Gracias,
todos.
totales.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao,
Chao, chao.
cheese.
Oh.